With so much misinformation from vessel to vessel about true capacity size, who can a fella trust? I think the easiest way is to kind of break it down and go to ground zero. If our goal is to fill a keg, which it is, we'll start here as our base measurement. You can fill all the way up to here to about the top seam with wort and ferment. Remember, we need to keep some headspace in there because that's going to get a little bit taller as the ferment happens, and we don't want it to interfere with the pot that's up here. So let's go ahead and fill this with water all the way up to here, the top seam. Now take that water that you filled all the way up to the seam and pour it in your pot. "20 liters is a more useful measurement because when we finish the boil, we want to finish with 20 liters of wort because we usually do a whirlpool and we'll leave break material in the kettle, minus 1 or 2 liters, and then we'll move that wort into our keg. Take 2 more liters of water, and you can use a blender, or you can use a pickle jar, or a Coke 2 liter. Take those 2 liters, check it against a scale if you're worried about its accuracy, and add it to the kettle. Now you have a flush 20 liters, and you can make a mark. Simply, I use a knife to do it. Carefully, of course. Now you've got your 20 liter mark. Now we want to go up by 5 liter increments, and we kind of repeat the process. So get a known source that's good for 5 liters. Maybe a white vinegar plastic jug is 5 liters. Weigh it against a scale, add 5 liters in here, bring it up to 25, make that notch. If you're looking for a little bit more precision, you can take a tape measure and measure the distance between 20 and 25, take that measurement and have it, and make a little notch in between, and that'll show you the midpoint. I don't like to make the same style notch so I don't have to do these numbers, so on the 15, 25, 35, I'll write next to them the number, and then in between that I'll just make a half notch, and that shows me that it's in between. Otherwise, just continue up the pot further until you get the measurements that you need.